I think we are yet to learn how patient journeys will be much different. Some will be on lifelong treatment. Some will have, say, progressive obesity that will, keep you put more and more weight on, and they'll need more and more efficacious medicine. But there'll perhaps also be some who, where actually being on treatment for some time almost prevents them, and they'll have a different trajectory. I don't think we have seen much of this yet. When I ask the scientists, I'm not a scientist myself, they say, but biology and mechanism will tell you that it's chronic treatment. My personal view is that we will also here learn that patients are much different, and there'll be different avenues. So we'll have to build a portfolio of interventions. Lifestyle will also play into for some of them. And I think we can help many patients get down to a weight that they can maintain and live the life they want to live and avoid many comorbidities for the healthcare systems.
I mean, we also heard from some of the food companies that the chief executives of some of the big groups are having crisis talks. And actually, does this mean that there's going to be a wider adoption of these drugs? Does it mean that people are going to eat and drink 30% less? Do you see it really changing our societies?
I think there'll be many changes, but I think with that also comes opportunities. There'll perhaps be a different preference for snacking. So I think we still need to eat. So maybe perhaps a bit less of the unhealthy snacking and a preference for more of the healthy stuff. So I think for companies it's also about following the trend and evolving your business and moving to where the market is. And then I think there is probably say an 80-20 perspective here, like in many other sectors, that you will have a few patients who are really heavy consumers, and if those are also those who then start up treatment, I think there'll be a relative bigger impact on some of these companies. But I would say in general, I think it's a bit hyped when we see the reactions we see, because we are only scratching the surface in the number of patients we're treating, and it takes quite some time to scale manufacturing to get to many more millions of patients.